Hello everyone, I am Vinayak and I will be presenting our paper titled Thermal Deflection Decoupled 6-Torf Pose Measurement of Hexapods. Hexapods are parallel robots in which six actuated legs connect the base to the platform. In these, the platform's pose can be controlled in all 6 degrees of freedom. Some of the relevant applications are in the realm of high precision positioning, such as for positioning components in synchrotrons and for positioning mirrors in telescopes. I will now go over the conventional method used for measuring the sixth-of pose of the hexapod's platform. Pose measurements are performed by measuring various points with respect to coordinate frame M of the measurement system. To measure the pose of the coordinate frame fixed to the platform, a coordinate frame OT1 is measured with the hexapod at temperature T1. This is a reference coordinate frame, and the poses of the platform's coordinate frame are measured with respect to this. It is then required to measure the pose of platform frame S1T1 with the hexapod in any configuration and at temperature T1. However, we actually end up measuring S1T2 with the hexapod at temperature T2. This happens when the two measurements are performed with considerable time between them. This happens mainly due to thermal deflections of the hexapod's legs due to heat provided by motors and the surrounding. This is problematic for operations such as calibration, in which pose measurements are required to be performed with the hexapod at a constant temperature. This paper presents a pose measurement method in which the hexapod's thermal deflections do not affect pose measurement. In this, the reference frame OT1 is measured first at temperature T1. This is followed quickly by measurement of platform's frame in an intermediate pose R, such that this measurement happens with the hexapod at temperature T1. The intermediate coordinate frame is then measured again just before measuring coordinate frame S1T2, and this measurement happens at temperature T2. Coordinate frame S1 is then measured at temperature T2. We use measurements of intermediate frame R to compute thermal deflections of hexapod's legs, which are in turn used to estimate pose parameters of frame S1T1 with respect to OT1. I invite you all to read our paper for more details about this method. To validate the proposed method, we performed pose measurements of a high precision positioning hexapod using conventional and proposed methods. Thermal deflections of this hexapod were exaggerated by heating legs using heating mats. Pose measurements were performed using a CMM and the temperatures were measured using thermocouples. The pose measurements were performed with the platform in zero pose. All the six pose parameters are zero in this case, and all legs have the same length. 10 trials of measurements were performed using the conventional and proposed methods at the same time. The measured pose parameters are shown here in the middle, and the measured temperatures are shown on the right. In the graph with measured pose parameters, the x-axis shows the trial number, and for the y-axis, the first three graphs show the measured translational pose parameters, and the next three graphs show measured rotational pose parameters. The red plots are the pose parameters measured using the conventional method, and the blue plots are the ones measured using the proposed method. It can be seen that the pose measurements performed using conventional method are affected by thermal deflections of the hexapod. Measurement accuracy is considerably improved when the proposed method is used. Please feel free to contact us if you have questions, and thank you very much for your time.